This video will demonstrate how to scrape Amazon products to publish to TikTok Store. Step 1. Add 4Sellers Product Scraper extension. Search for 4Seller Product Scraper in Chrome Web Store. Enter 4Sellers Product Scraper extension page, and then click Add to Chrome to add the extension. Step 2. Scrape products. 1. Enter the Amazon website, enter the product detail page. The following options will appear, and different options will have different meanings and operation steps. Click to the collection box, indicates that the link scraped successful, and you can save the link to the scrape record in 4Seller and continue scraping other listings. Click View Scraped, can directly turn to the scrape record page and push the listings to stores in batches. When pushing in batches, you can select the platform TikTok and the corresponding store. After the push is successful, click Publish to Store will go to the corresponding platform draft page for editing and publishing. On the draft page, you can see the products that have been saved as drafts. Click Edit in the product list to edit a single product. Also can select the listings in the blank grid and edit in batch. Click Generate Store Draft. Directly select the corresponding platform and store. After scraping successfully, you can choose to continue scraping or publishing the products. If you click Go to Publish, will automatically go to the editing page of the product. After the edit done, click Save and Publish to publish the product. Here are more swift way to scrape in bulk. Go to the Listing tab and select the Product Scraper. Copy the link of products detail page to the scrape box for batch scraping. After scraping successfully, you can choose push them to the corresponding platform, TikTok, Temu, Shopify, and Store. After push successfully, click Go to Publish will turn to the product editing page. On the product editing page, fill in the required fields of the product and click Save and Publish to publish the product. Step 3. After the products publish successfully, you can find the products in the Publish section. That concludes our introduction to scrape Amazon products to publish to TikTok Store. There are more details and examples available within 4Seller Online Help Center. If this resonates, leave a comment and feel free to follow for more useful and latest sharing. See you in next video.